binary subtraction. How to subtract two binary numbers. First of all, we will discuss the rules of subtraction, subtracting two binary digits. So let us draw here one table to have a look of the numbers. So let us suppose okay, I am going to use A and B instead of the numbers. First, in the last video I have used your first and second. Okay, so let us use your A and B as per your book, and here we will subtract A minus B. Okay, so when if value of so let us make it at the center, and yes, now we will when value let us add here a few more rows. Now here when value of A is 0, and when value of B is also 0, so A 0 minus 0 will be 0. So as in mathematics we subtract two numbers, similarly rules are quite similar for the binary number system. So here will be let us use here first 1 here. If value of A is 1, value of B is 0, then 1 minus 0 will be definitely 1. Next is 0 minus 1, 0, and the value of A is 0, and then here will be 1. Then since we 0, value of A is 0 and value of B is 1, so 0 minus 1, we are unable to subtract 1 from 0, so we have to borrow 1 from the next place. So 0 minus 1 is 1. How it is 1? Because we have to take borrow. Remember this, we have to take borrow from the next place. Borrow from the next place, or we can say next digit, one and same thing. And so this is 0 minus 1 will be 1. And why it is 1? Because we have to take borrow from the next place. We will discuss one such kind of example. 1 minus 1, value of A is 1 and value of B is also 1, then 1 minus 1 is 0. So let us subtract two numbers. First binary number that I am going to use here 1 1 0 1, and the second one is minus 0 0 1 1. So let us subtract these two binary numbers. This is the first binary number, and we have to subtract this one from this. So I'm going to copy this for the time being, and we will paste it here. We can use shortcut key combination, Control plus C, Control plus V. That is also, and here. So this is, we have to subtract this one. So let me bring it a little bit down. So this is these are the numbers. So let us remove the extra space from here. Now so let us follow the rules, and let us have a look. So first 1, this is the rules are same. 1 minus 1, so you can see here 1 minus 1, that is 0. So 1 minus 1 is 0, so here we will use 0. Next is, you can 0 minus 1, so 0 minus 1 is 1. Why it is 1? So now let us discuss that why it is 1. Here you can see 0. So we have to take borrow from the next place. So this is the next place, the digit that is present at next place on the left hand side. Now we will take borrow from this place. So after taking borrow, here the number that will be at this place, at this place where 0 is present, if we take one borrow from this place, remember this one, at this place, okay, where 0 is present, what will be there? 1 0. And in 1 0, okay, in binary 1 0 is what? 2. Okay, 1 0 is what? 2 basically. 1 0 is 2. So it's 1 0 minus, okay, it's basically it's here 1 0. So 1 0 minus 1, okay, 1 0 minus 1 will be here basically 1. This is the reason it is 1 here, 0 minus 1. Okay, so it's 1 0 minus 1. Okay, it's like that. Okay, so it will be 1 here basically. So it's 2 basically in binary. Okay, so here will be 1. Okay, so we have to take borrow from here. So it becomes here. Now here, after taking borrow from this place, here what is left now? At this place where 1 is present, here we have left with 0. Okay, remember this. What is this 1 0? 1 0 is basically 2 in binary. Okay, so 2 minus 1. Yes, 1 is written in binary, 1 is written as 1. Okay, but 2 is written as 1 0, that we have discussed earlier. Okay, so 1 0 minus 1, definitely 1 0 minus 1 is 1. Okay, the 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, same in the real world. So here will be 1. Okay, because in binary 2 is written as 1 0. Now we have taken borrow from the next place, that is here, this one we have borrowed. Okay, this one from here to here. Okay, second place, and we have made it 1 0. Now here 0 is left, so 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0 will be 0. Okay, and here 1 minus 0. Okay, this one 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 will be 1. You can see here 1 minus 0, that is 1. Okay, so here will be 1. Okay, so this is the subtraction of these two binary numbers. Okay, now let us cross check it. If we want to cross check it, we will follow the same rule. We will convert these binary numbers into decimal, and we know the rule. Okay, this is the least significant digit. Okay, so it will be 1 into then binary number base, that is 2 raised to power, okay, 2 raised to power 0. Okay, because this is the least significant digit, so least means at unit place 0. Okay, and then plus, okay, next digit is 1, not 1, sorry, 0. So here will be 0 into, then we will use the base of binary system and we will increase the power by 1. Earlier it was 0, power was 0, 0 plus 1, 1. We have to increase the powers, remember this. Okay, this is the method of converting this binary number into decimal. Now next significant digit is 1. So here will be 1 into 2, that is base of binary number system, and 2 raised to power 2. Now we have to increase the powers by 1 each time. So here will be 2 raised to power 2. Why we are converting, okay, this binary into decimal using this method? Because we have to check it whether our binary, okay, subtraction is correct or not. It's correct, but we are just cross checking it. Okay, so here 1 cross, okay, 1 multiplied by, this is the last significant digit, 1 into 2 raised to power 3. Remember this, we have to increase the power of base. I'm repeating it again and again, 3. Now if we find out the sum, okay, so let us have a look. So this 1 into 2 raised to power 3, that makes 2 raised to power 3 means 8. Okay, 8 plus 1 into 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 2 means 2 into 2, that is 4. 1 into 4, 4 plus sign as it is, then 0 into 2 raised to power 1. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0, so definitely 0. 1 into 2 raised to power 0. 2 raised to power 0 means any number raised to power 0 is 1, so it is 1 into 1. Okay, 1 into 1 is 1, so here will be 1. So that makes 8 plus 4 plus 0 plus 1, that makes 15. Not 15, sorry, 13. Okay, 13, that makes 13. It's 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. So this means 1 1 1 0 1. This is how we write 13 in binary. Okay, this is the binary number for what? Number 13. This is the decimal number. And now let us convert this one. Okay, let us convert this binary number into, okay, so I will copy this for the time being rather than typing it again, starting from here to here. Okay, and I will paste it here. Okay, and here the first significant digit is 1, next significant digit is again here, instead of 0, 1, and here will be next is 0, so that will be 0, and this will be 0. Okay, so let us calculate here. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0, so first will be 0 plus as it is. Then here look at this second term, 0, any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Then 1 into 2 raised to power 1. 2 raised to power 1 means only one time 2 is multiplied, that is 2. So 2 into 1, 2, so it is 2 plus, okay, 2 raised to power 0, anything raised to, any number raised to power 0 is 1, as we had already discussed. So 1 into 1 is 1, equal to, so 2 plus 1, that makes 3. Okay, now let us cross check this answer. Okay, definitely 13 minus 3, 10. So definitely, okay, this is binary 10. This is how the 10 is written in binary. Okay, 1010. So definitely if we convert this binary 1010 into decimal, okay, following same approach, okay, so here will be 1, okay, here will be 0, here will be 1, and here will be 0. Okay, same. So definitely here will be 1 into 8. Okay, so here will be 8, and here will be any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay, 1 into 2 raised to power 1, that is 2. So any number multiplied by 0 is 0, so here will be 0. Okay, and 8 plus 2, that makes 10. So our result is correct. Okay, this means 13 minus 3, 10. That is our answer. And this is 13 in binary, and this is 3 in binary, and this is 10 in binary. So we have cross checked that our binary subtraction is correct. Okay, so this in this way you can practice binary subtraction, and you can also cross check your answers, okay, by converting binary into decimal, whether you have done the subtraction of two binary numbers correct or not. So this completes the explanation of subtraction of binary numbers.